Hi, I'm Lars Min, and I am a n8n ambassador in Copenhagen, Denmark. I have been doing a lot of workshops last month. I did 3 meetups in total, and I decided that I'm going for a summer vacation now and pick up again with the meetups in August. But in the meantime, I have been playing around with building a game, an n8n game, which is a, a little bit special. I want to share it with you. It's free to play and it's just a browser game. So if you have a browser, you can play it. It works best on desktop, but you can sort of play it on mobile if you want to. I just want to go over the game with you so you know what it is, so you can play it. So basically, you take on the role as an n8n expert. You're fighting all sorts of data problems. The problems are your enemies that you need to tackle. You need to combine nodes to upgrade your problem solving skills, or shooting in this case. So you need to have some good combinations. And for that, you need to use some of course, you have a starting node that is a trigger. They do different things, and you can combine them with any of the other nodes, and you can even make branches, so you can add extra nodes. And here you can see some good combinations that does some very cool things if you combine those. And there's a high score list here, so if you are playing this game, you can see if you can beat my high score here. A little tip I want to give you is that you can click the name and you can see what main chains and branches I have, and what the combination and damage outputs, the synergies that I have. So you can use that to be inspired of if you want to try and build some of your own. But of course, there's a random element to this. The nodes that drop are random. After you kill a boss, you get the possibility to pick between 3 different nodes, and depending on what's available, that's what you get. So sometimes you get something cool, sometimes you get something that is also cool, but not what you hoped for. So try to make the best of it. All right, let's try and play a game. I will see if I can record the in-game music here as well. I'll just turn it down a little bit. Goes like this. So I have a starting webhook, and I have 3 slots available here to begin with. I only have 2 nodes in my inventory, so I will of course place those 2 nodes so I can do some extra damage. This one does extra damage, and this one gives me an extra output. So I will be shooting 2 shots next to each other. We can see I have a damage like this. My DPS is 107. I have 2 streams, meaning that's the 2 shots. And that's pretty much it to begin with. Let's try it. So you can see I have this flying n8n logo. You can sort of see there is some n8n workflows in the background. The enemies represent data problems, manual entries, duplicate data, legacy cron, spreadsheet chaos. Here's a power-up, gives me some extra cash rewards. You can either dodge the enemies or just try to take those out that is in front of you. Survival is the most important. We got a new node here. I'll pick that one, and I will add this code. Sorry. Yeah, like this. So we got a AoE pulse every 14 seconds, and some rolls on deploy. Let's see what that is. I think the music is pretty cool. It's AI generated as well. The base game was created with the help of Claude Fable 5, which is an amazing AI. I uploaded it to Lovable and had Lovable do tons of tweaks and to the game mechanics and adding high scores and stuff like that. So right now it's a playable game for everyone that wants to play an n8n themed video game here in the summertime. Yeah, I suppose that's it. See how far you can get. See if you can defeat the boss and maybe even beat my high score. Let's see how you do it. Thank you.